Dear PM friend, it's unfortunate we cannot meet each other in Montreal PM Conference 2020, but we can use the video system to present the Asia Powder Metallurgy Industry. I'm the APMA President Chu Long Zhu. So today my outline will be the members of APMA introduction and the PM production in Asia, MIM production in Asia, and the market trend for automobile. Then forecast after the coronavirus compact. First, I'd like to introduce the members of the APMA. APMA Association was established in 2008 in the World Conference in Washington. In the beginning, we only have Japan, Korea, Taiwan, and India, 4 countries direct member. And after we have another 3. So first, I'd like to introduce the first direct member. We have 9 direct member. We have a JPMA from Japan and JSPM from Japan. So in Japan, we have 2 direct member. In Korea, we have a KPMA and KPMI. So Korea have 2 association direct member. Taiwan, we have a TPMA. And China, they start to join the member from 2013, the CPMA. The other one is CPMS, it's from the academy system. And then we have India, the Powder Metallurgy Association of India. And the last direct member is Thai PMA from Thailand. So now we have 9 direct member in the APMA. And to talk about the PM production in Asia, 2019, all the car production industry is going down till 2020 now. So compared with 2018, 2019 was going down, and 2020, of course, because of virus problem, also will be going down. So you can see the figure, how many PM production in each country. Japan, China, there was 162,000 ton 2019, but this year 2020, of course, we're going down. Korea also, and Taiwan also going down. And the other in India. In India 2019, the forecast was going up compared with 2017. And 2020, of course, will be going down. And Malaysia also going down. Singapore, then Thailand, then Indonesia. So totally in the Asia, the PM production is going down, but still not so much. But to 2020 will be a big drop. And the PM application in Asia, mostly are for transportation. In Japan, it's up to 94.3%, and then China, 28% are for electrical industry, because in China I have many motor maker, personal computer, so a lot of electrical products. And Korea, 95.9% for transportation, and Taiwan, only 44, and 26 for the industrial products. So this 26 inside in Taiwan, they have produced a lot of energy, SOFC, fuel cell parts in Taiwan. And India, 80% for car. And Malaysia, 67.8%. And the electrical parts also many produced in Malaysia. Singapore also have 49%. And Thailand, 92.8% for transportation. Indonesia, almost 100% for transportation. And the main production in Asia. Main production in Asia, almost the share around the 50% of the world. So especially in China and Taiwan, it's over $1 billion to $1.1 billion in China and Taiwan, because in China, Taiwan, we made a lot of cell phone, also personal computer, printer, a lot of electrical products. Korea is 50 million, Singapore 65 million, India 110 million, Japan 120 million. And the hot metal production update to 2018 in China. You know that the total production is 50% of global production is in China. And in 2018, it's almost 30,000 tons. And most for the mining area, and also many for machine cutting plate for the auto parts. And 2019, it will be dropped to 36,500 tons. So same in 2020 also will be going down. And the sinter neodymium production in China from 2006 to 2018. You know, the many products of the 5G, AI, big data, and IC production in China. And IC is fourth biggest production country in the world. In recent years, China's rare earth industry has developed rapidly, and its production capacity is in an international leading position. Okay, next I'll talk about the 3D printer in China. Since 2015 to 2017, the 3D printer in China has reached the RMB around 10 billion. The still growth rate is slow to about 25%, but it is still 4% higher than the global growth rate. But many in China, they are in the research stage. And next, I'd like to talk about the market trend for the PM application for the automobile sales. So you can see all the data from all the different countries. The automobile is going down. Especially China, they was produce close to 29 million cars in 2017. But after 18, 19, it's going down. The forecast in 2020, China still have a close to 25,000 million car, but 2020 will be going down. I will talk about later. In India, also big drop, and Japan, 5.25 million car forecast in 2020. Korea, also 1.8. Malaysia, 610,000 car. Taiwan, 420,000 car. Thailand is over 1 million. So totally it's going down. The forecast of 2020 in the beginning, but after the coronavirus will be dropped more. In 2019, the performance of automobile production of the four major regions, North America, Europe, Africa, and Asia of the world is different. Next, I'll talk about the Japan automobile market in 2020. Japanese automobile production was around 10 million in the past 20 years. So 2015 was 9 million car. In 2019, down to 8.32. They have a 50% export for the commercial vehicle and passenger vehicle. And 2020, 7.16 is a minus 22% compared with 2019. But after coronavirus, also will be going down much more. The auto parts market for PM in China update to 2018. 2018 was dropped the sales from 4.2 billion down to 4.13 billion. And the production from 106,900 tons dropped to 133,000 tons. So the production is going down, sales are also going down. So the stage of the automobile industry in 2018 affected the sales of powder metallurgy products. Then we talk about the electric car, electric EV forecast in Asia from 2020 to 2035. In Japan, we talk about production quantity. The hybrid car will be from 1.25 million units up to 1.45. And the plug-in electric car will be 30,000 up to 300,000 units. And the pure electric car will be from 50,000 units up to 400,000 units. The electric vehicle forecast in Asia from 2020 to 2035. In China, continuous large sales, which also impact the production of the new electric vehicle, decreased by 43% in November 2019 compared to the same period of the 2018. The quantity is from 1.04 million units. This is from January to November 2019. Since the coronavirus of this year, the production and the sales of a new energy vehicle have been great effect like a traditional vehicle. The government has formulated policy and measures to promote the development of a new energy vehicle. It has delayed the two policy of the new energy vehicle subsidies and the exemption from car purchase tax, particularly that will be complete by the end of this year for 2 years. This measure will restore the growth of production and the sales of new energy vehicles. Judging from the current situation, the production capacity of a new energy vehicle in April 2020 has basically reached the level of the same period last year, and China is still full of confidence in the future development. The brief in China's industries. China's output ranked first in the world is iron-based powder, copper-based powder, rare earth permanent magnet, super hard metal, and cement carbide. The application of powder metallurgy products, rare earth permanent magnet, and the super hard metal in the high-end market has also increased year by year. As just of a traditional fuel vehicle, real estate and other industries, 3C products replace and demand change, international trade, friction, and the other factor caused by market demand fluctuation under national policy control. Okay, let's talk about in automobile sales to main country in Asia 2019. Okay, the forecast in here, Japan, Korea, China, India, Taiwan, Thailand. The forecast was in Japan because of consumption tax and the impact of the natural disaster, and expect to recover after new model release. So the forecast in Japan in 2020 will be increased 1.4%. But after the coronavirus, it's still going down compared to the forecast. Korea minus 2.7%, China minus 3%. But both will be going down after the coronavirus. India, the station of the financial loans, sluggish agriculture, impact of exhaust regulation, enterprises invest less and buy gas for commercial vehicle. So their focus on growth only 2.6%, but really this year will be going down more, not plus. In Taiwan, demand is less than supply, so it's a minus. After virus, didn't change so much. The Thailand 2.0% growth, but same problem, the virus problem. And the industrial reflected by the coronavirus in Japan. The Japanese government has lifted the emergency declaration on May 26. Compared to the same period last year, the market demand In Q1, minus 10%. In April, minus 29%. The production, minus 49%, almost half. In May, estimate is minus 42%. Production, minus 50%, 55%. But June, it coming back, minus 34% estimate. So the 2020 years, the market demand is minus 19%. So most is a minus situation. And the induction reflects by corona in China. According to the statistical analysis of the China Association of Automobile Manufacturers, in early May of the 2020, this information of the May, the quantity of production and sales of 11 key automobile manufacturers compiled 429,000 units and 351,000 units respectively. The production and the sales decreased by 19% and 19.9% compared with the early April. An increase of 2.0% production and the sales volume decreased by 13.9% compared with the same period of last year. For the forecast of the auto market trends to year of 2020, consider the impact of the worldwide coronavirus on the automobile industry. It is predicted from two aspects, optimism and pessimism. If first, optimistic forecast. If the overseas corona situation is effectively controlled in the second quarter, it is expected that China's auto market sales in 2020 may decline by 15% year on year. The second, if the pessimistic forecast, if the overseas epidemic situation cannot be effectively contained, it will be affect the third quarter or longer. It is expected that China's auto market sales in 2020 may fall by 25% year on year. Okay, take care of all the PM family members. Wish everyone is safe this year. Thank you for your attention. It's all my report for the APMA in Asia situation. Thank you.